Today, I'm going to show you how to make a map in Tableau for the production facilities by state with our employee Q12 data. So first, you're going to want to bring up a whole new sheet so it looks plain and ready to go like this. The next step that we're going to do here is we want to show the average onboarding by each state. So you want to go over here to the left and scroll up to the very top. Now, underneath the employee data, you're going to see the blue pill state and drag it up here to columns. And it will look like this, but to change it to show you by state, you want to go up to the show me button in the top right corner and then go down to the map box right here and click that. That way you can kind of just get a layout of each of the states. Next, you want to go down to the onboarding pill that you had created previously and drag that into the marks area right here. That will now show you the sum of each onboarding scores, but we don't want sum, we want average. So to change it to average when you scroll over a state, you want to go over to the green pill, click the drop-down menu, and go down to measure, and then click average. That way it'll show you the score between 1 and 5 of each onboarding score. Next things first, you want to filter the just the production states. So you're going to want to go over here to where it says department employee data and drag that up to rows. Now it will change the map a little bit looking like this, but once you apply the filter, it'll revert back to just one map. So to apply a filter, you're going to go up to that blue pill, click the drop-down menu, hit filter, and unclick all of them besides production. And then once you're finished with that, click OK, and it should change back to this, showing you each state of just production, and then along with the average onboarding. Next thing you want to do is create a string value to, or like change a string value to a measure. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the employee name, which is right here, drag it into marks and drop it there. That way it just shows you the number of employees and their names, but you want to see the number. So to change the number, you want to go down and click the blue pill, the employee name, scroll down here to measure and click count distinct. After you click count distinct, it'll show you the distinct count of employee names, and it will be a number here along with all the other information that is provided. Next, you want to show the average employee satisfaction on the map as well when you hover over. But you also don't want the states to be the same color. So to do that, you're going to go over here and find the employee satisfaction green pill and drag that into marks. But before dropping it, you want to bring it into color. That way it shows you a different range of each state. And we can change the color by going up here to this box, clicking the drop-down menu, edit color, and then you can choose any of the colors here that fits your preference. Today, I think I'm just going to go with orange. And then you can just click OK, and it will change the state colors. Now that you have that, you are showing the sum, but you want the average of the employee satisfaction, just to have that layer added on. So to change that, you're going to go up to the green pill where the drop-down menu is, click the drop-down menu, and go down to measure, and then you want to click average. That way it changes, and it looks like this, and the states change a little bit. As you can see, they're all different shades of orange. Some are lighter, some are darker. And finally, you're just going to want to take the time to think about a title. So you'll go up here to where it says sheet 6, and we can just name this onboarding or average onboarding or production facilities by state, and then click OK. And now the map will have a title. It'll look like this. To change the color, if this doesn't work for you, you can always go down to edit color and to a different one. So let's say you want to do green. That's a little too light, so let's make that a little darker. Oh, and then click OK, and then click OK. And it will change them to green. As you can see, this one doesn't really work as well. But yeah, you can change the colors however you want. And that is how you create a map.